What was that? Oh man, I'm hungry because my stomach is growling. Now I have to tell my normal clone to give me some food in my belly.